Okay, so when it's foggy, if you notice first, my lights are on 0 there. The first thing I have to do is I have to switch it to dipped, which is this light, this little thing here, as you can see on the inside. If I turn it round and just flip it onto the screen, you can see it's this little green light that's on here. And if I go back down, the 2 buttons just to the left of this here, these 2 are your fog lights. So you've got the top one, which is your front fog light, it's always pointing to the left, and the rear one, which is always pointing to the right. It's always little buttons, they always look a little bit like jellyfishes, that's what I've always found. So when you press the top button, because the fog lights do not come on unless you press the first, put it on dipped, press that button there, and as I flip it round, you'll notice there's an extra green light that's just on here now. So this is your front fog light. Go back down again. So if I then press the bottom button, which is this one here, then you'll notice there's an extra orange light that's come on here. So that is your rear fog light. So the green one is your front, pointing to the left, and your orange one is the rear one that's pointing to the right. Like I say, the fog lights don't come on unless first you put these dipped headlights on.